babies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you're new here, I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If that's the type of content you're interested in watching, please continue to watch and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So girls, I'm back with another video, and this time it's a skincare video because the girls have been asking me, girl, how do you keep your skin so glowy and clean and smooth? Girl, I got you, okay? I got you. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys, it's more like a Sunday reset. Today is Sunday. It is the 7th of January, and yeah, we're just gonna be doing a Sunday reset. I haven't dermaplaned my face in a while, so I'm just gonna be doing the whole thing, and I'll be showing you all the products that I use while I'm doing that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I started off to do was to apply this Equate body oil gel on my skin. So I normally use this just to help to prevent like the harshness of the razor on my skin while I'm dermaplaning. I like when the razor like glides over my skin and it doesn't like cut or anything, so I like to use like the Equate body oil gel just to prevent any, you know, harshness or cuts or scrapes on my skin. And I went ahead and just pulled out my handy dandy razor that I bought at Walmart. You can buy these in packs or you can buy it single, whichever you prefer. But I like to use this particular one because it gets the job done all the time. And I just went ahead and started just shaving the hair off my face. Now, if you're a girl like me that loves when your skin is extra smooth and you love when your makeup looks extremely flawless, like I would recommend dermaplaning at least twice a month. I usually start at the beginning of the month and then I do another one like right before the month ends, just to know, you know, get that nice, smooth, clean skin. Here, as you can see, this is the result of, you know, removing all the hair and the excessive amount of oil and stuff off my skin. This is the result on the cotton pad. It is extremely disgusting to me when I do it every time, but it's just hair. Okay, so the next step I do is I take my cotton pads or cotton rounds, whatever you call it, and I apply my Good Molecules brightening toner to it, and I just wipe that all over my face. I clean my skin extremely good with this, just so all the oils and stuff, you know, is off my skin. And you know, because I removed the hair and everything, I need that brightness, so I normally go in with the Good Molecules brightening toner and it gets the job done all the time. My skin always looks so clean and bright and smooth, and yeah, it just always gets the job done. I then go in with my St. Ives lip scrub. It's in the flavor watermelon, and I absolutely love this lip scrub. This lip scrub is hands down the best I've ever used, and I just use like my lip scrub brush that I also purchased at Walmart, And yeah, both of them get the job done. My lips are extremely soft whenever I scrub them, smooth, and they also look brighter and just, yeah, nice and juicy and just smooth and clean. I then go in with my water bottle dispenser just to, wash that excess amount of scrub off my lips so I can get it nice and clean and smooth, and just remove like the excess of the scrub off my lip. This Good Molecules Discoloration Serum, girl, is the absolute truth. This took less than 1 week to work for me. Like, I would normally get up and I have like dark circles underneath my eyes, and I'm telling you, girl, I've seen such a huge difference in my skin. My skin just looks so bright and glowy and luminous. Even my man wants me to get him one. Like, he's not a person into skincare as much as I am, but yeah, I love this serum. This is the truth. If you're not already using this, you are missing out. Now, this product I had received in PR, and girls, I'm telling you that, well, I don't even have to tell you, I'm showing you. This serum is so good, and it leaves my skin extremely glowy. I've never felt a serum so hydrating. I'm telling you, like, this just makes my skin so nice. Like, when I look at myself in the mirror after using this serum, I am so glowy. I just look so luminous, like I'm just radiating, and I just don't know what they put in the bottle of this, but yeah, this along with that Good Molecules Discoloration Serum, girls, I'm telling you, your skin will eat. You don't need makeup, and that's what I'm trying to do for 2024, like try to wear less makeup. But yeah, these serums, like, yeah, they eat. Okay guys, so the next step is to use my gua sha and face roller. Guys, if you're not already using a gua sha in your skincare routine, you need to start ASAP. Girls, I have a more rounded face, and I just absolutely love the results that the gua sha gives. Like, it just gives like more structured, more definition on the cheeks, more definition on the jawline, and I just absolutely love this, especially when I know that I'm gonna be doing makeup. Yeah, I have to use my gua sha because I just love how structured my face looks once I use it, and it depuffs my face as well. So if you're a girl that normally gets up out of bed and you have a lot of puffiness, you need to be using this ASAP. Now, this is one of my favorites and least favorites at the same time, because my favorite because it gets the job done and your skin will look absolutely amazing. My least favorite because it burns like hell. It burns like hell. But you know that burning feeling, you know that it's working. But yeah, this burns like hell, but I absolutely love the result that it gives. Of course, girls, the next step is eye cream. Eye cream is essential, okay? If you're not using an eye cream, you need to start using it for hydration, for fine lines and wrinkles. Girls, eye cream is very important and you need to be incorporating that in your skincare routine. I use an eye cream every night going to bed and every day once I wake up in the morning. Yes, eye cream is very essential. And the last facial product is our Healthy Renew Night Cream. Now girls, when I tell you that this will definitely leave your skin so smooth, so hydrated, so moisturized, prevents fine lines and wrinkles, has purified peptides, girl, what more could you have ever asked for in a night cream? Please go get it. I'm not even gonna say anything. You're gonna see the results once I use it on my skin. I absolutely love her, and as you can see by the bottle, yeah, I be using her. I be using her like every night. And then last but not least, our lips need to be hydrated and plumped as well, girls. So of course, the best lip moisturizer and sleep mask or Laneige, yes, or Laneige lip mask is the absolute best, and I love her. I also have the lip oil and I absolutely love that as well, but I love the sleep mask. Putting it on before I go to bed is just top tier. It's a form of luxury that is very affordable, that yeah, every girl needs this. Okay baby, so now that you know how to get your skin glowy, smooth and soft, please leave a like down below and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Happy Sunday. Bye.